Hi everyone. Now we are going to learn about equations of motion by graphical method. This one is given in page number 19 in your textbook. We are going to derive these equations of motion by graphical method. We are going to draw a graph. Along x-axis, time is taken. Velocity is taken along y-axis. Here time, here velocity. Origin O. Now, a particle or a body, it starts from O and it moves along y-axis. Its velocity increases along y-axis with time t equal to 0. With 0 time, its velocity increases along y-axis. So, this one is known as initial velocity u. Initial velocity means the velocity with time t is equal to 0. From this point, its velocity increases with respect to time. That means as time increases, velocity also increases. So, it moves in this direction and reach this point. Now, we are going to find out the distance covered by this object. Draw a perpendicular line to x-axis. Draw a horizontal line along y-axis. From this point also draw a horizontal line. Now, this one is like a rectangular. Name these points as A, B, C, D, and note this point as E. Now we have to explain these terms. Initial velocity. Initial velocity is denoted by the letter U, OD. This OD portion is equal to U. So, OD, this OD portion is equal to EA portion, EA. Now, final velocity. Final velocity is represented by the letter V. V equal to, V is the distance between O and C. O and C. Now, this OC portion is equal to EB portion. EB portion. Now, time. Time is equal to, time is represented by the letter T, which is equal to OE. This OE portion is equal to DA. Now, we are going to derive the equation, first equation of motion. We have three equations. This one is first equations of motion. First equation of motion. First equation of motion. Here we are going to find out the value of final velocity. Final velocity is equal to, the formula is V equal to OC equal to EB. Now, take the value EB or OC. Now, we are taking EB. This portion EB has two portions, EA plus AB. We can separate this as EA plus AB. Now, the value of EB is V. V equal to, now the value of EA is EA equal to OD equal to U plus AB. Now, we are going to find out the value of AB and substitute in this equation. How will we find out the value of AB from this diagram? Here we have one clue. From this point, from the point D itself, the object gets accelerated. So, take the formula for acceleration. Acceleration is represented by the letter A is equal to, the formula is change in velocity change in velocity divided by time. This is the formula. You memorize this formula. Acceleration A is equal to change in velocity by time. What's the formula for change in velocity? Final velocity minus initial velocity. Change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Now, from diagram, what's the value of final velocity? Here A. So, A is equal to final velocity means the distance between OC is final velocity, that is V. So, OC is the final velocity minus initial velocity. Initial velocity is the distance between OD divided by T. Now, from the portion OC, if we subtract OD, we have DC. So, instead OC minus OD, we have DC. DC divided by T. A equal to DC divided by T. Now, this DC portion is equal to AB portion. So, instead DC we can substitute AB. So, small letter A equal to AB by T. From this, find out the value of AB. So, AB is equal to A. When this T comes equal signs, this left side of equal sign, this division becomes multiplication. So, T becomes 8. So, the value of AB is equal to 80. Say this is equation number 1. Now, substitute this. Now, we found the value of AB. Now, substitute this value in the previous equation, that is final velocity V equal to U plus AB. This one is the previous equation we already found. Here instead AB, we are going to substitute this value 80. So, what is the formula? V equal to U plus, instead AB we have 80. So, this is equation number 2. This one is our final relation for velocity. Final velocity V is equal to U plus 80. This is the first equation of motion. Now, second equation of motion. First equation of motion we already derived. Now, we are moving into second equation of motion. Second equation of motion. Here, the distance covered by the object, the distance covered by the object is given by the area of quadrangle ODOEB, the quadrangle DOEB. Now, what's the formula for area of quadrangle? The formula for area of quadrangle area of a quadrangle means it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. DOEB. Now, this quadrangle we can split into 2 shapes. This DOEA is a rectangle and DAB is a triangle. This one is a rectangle, this one is a triangle. Totally it is a quadrangle DOEBD. Now this one is the area of rectangle DOEA plus area of triangle DAB. Now what's the formula for area of rectangle? Base breadth into length into breadth. So the length is AE, AE is length and breadth is OE plus here area of DAB, triangle. The formula for triangle is 1 by 2. Base is DA and height is AB. Now the AE, this much is equal to AE portion is equal to OD, which is equal to U into OE portion is time T plus of DA portion is equal to T time. DA portion is equal to OE, which is equal to time T. AB portion is equal to AT. We already derived from equation number 1. Here T into T. Here we have 2T. So UT plus half A into, we have 2T. So we can write this as T squared. This is equation number 3. Equation 3 is called second equation of motion. Now we are going into third equation of motion. Now we are moving into second equation of motion. Second equation of motion. Here we are going to derive the formula for distance, S. The distance covered by the object is given by the area of quadrangle DOEB. Quadrangle DOEB. Quadrangle has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. This quadrangle DOEB has 2 shapes. We can split this into 2, that one DOEA. This one is a rectangle and DAB. This one is a triangle. So how will we find the area of quadrangle? We have 2 steps. Distance. Here distance is represented by the letter S. Distance is equal to area of quadrangle. Area of quadrangle DOEB. Now area of quadrangle has 2 areas. One is area of rectangle DOEA plus area of triangle DAB. Now area of DOEB, rectangle. What's the formula for area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Here length OE is the length, breadth AE plus area of triangle. Formula for triangle, area of triangle is of base, DA is the base, into height, AB is the height. Now substitute the known equations, known formula. S is equal to OE, the value OE is equal to T. AE, the value A is equal to OD, which is equal to U plus of dA. dA portion is equal to OE, which is time T. AB, the value of AB we already derived from equation 1. What's the value of AB is equal to A into T. Now S equal to UT plus of A into, here we have T 2T. So T into T squared. Equation 3. This equation is called second equation of motion. Distance S equal to UT plus of AT squared. Now we are moving on to the next one. That one is third equation of motion. Now we are moving on to the third equation of motion. Yes, S is the distance covered by the object, which is given by the area of trapezium. Here D, take DOEB as a trapezium. This DOEB is a quadrangle, but here, we can take this as a trapezium because here the one pair is parallel. That is OD and EB side is parallel. Trapezium is a quadrangle, but it has one pair parallel. S is equal to area of trapezium. DOEB. The formula for area of trapezium is 1/2 into sum of length of parallel sides into distance between parallel sides. So 1/2 into sum means plus length of parallel sides. This is one length, this one is another length. So OD and EB. OD and EB into distance between the parallel side is OE. Now 1/2 into OD plus EB. OD is U plus EB. EB is V. The portion EB is equal to OC. OC is V. V into OE is T. So this is equation number 4. Here yes. Now S equal to 1/2 of U plus V into T, equation number 4. Now take equation number 2. What's equation number 2? That is first equation of motion is V equal to U plus AT. This one we already derived. From this find out the value of T and substitute in this equation. How will we find out the value of T from this equation? T is இந்த ஈக்குவல்ஸ் ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடில் T இருக்குது, இது அப்படியே லெஃப்ட் சைடுக்கு எழுதுவோம். U plus AT equal to V. Now take AT equal to V. இந்த Uவை நம்ம அந்த சைடுக்கு கொண்டு போனோம். Uக்கும் ATக்கும் இடைப்பட்ட ரிலேஷன் வந்து ப்ளஸ். ஸோ இந்த U வந்து ப்ளஸ் தான், இது வந்து அந்த சைடு வரும்போது மைனஸில் வரும். Now AT equal to V minus U. இந்த ATயில் ஏக்கும் டீக்கும் இடப்பட்ட ரிலேஷன் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன். ஸோ இந்த ஏ இந்த பக்கம் ஈக்குவல் சைனுக்கு இந்த பக்கம் வரும்போது டிவிஷனில் வரும். So this is equation number 5. Now the value of T is V minus U by A. இந்த T இருக்கிற இடத்துல இந்த வேல்யூவை நம்ம சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணணும். So substitute equation 5 in 4. So S equal to 1 by 2 u plus v into, instead t we have v minus u divided by t. Denominatorல நமக்கு 2t இருக்கு. இது equal signக்கு இந்த சைடு வரும்போது multiplicationல வரும். இது t ல a. So 2a into s equal to u plus v into this u plus v we can take as v plus u. U plus v same as v plus u into here v minus u. What's the formula for v plus u into v minus u? The formula for a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So instead v plus u into v minus u, we can put v squared minus u squared 2as. From this we can take v squared. What's the formula for v squared? V squared equal to 2as. In the minus u squared equals எனக்கு இந்த சைடு வரும்போது plus u squared. This one is the third equation of motion. That's all.